Join me as we dive deep into the world of YouTube Shorts. Let's explore together the artistry behind these bite-sized entertainment pieces and how they revolutionize the way we consume online content. Buckle up for an exciting and eye-opening journey on the impact of this powerful format. Hello, my beautiful viewers. Ever scrolled down your YouTube homepage and found yourself captivated by minute-long videos filled with entertainment and creativity? Today, we are laying down the red carpet and bringing those mini videos under the spotlight. Let's discuss the game changer that is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts, they come in quick, deliver a punch, and leave you wanting more. Now, you may wonder, what makes these shorts so enticing, right? The beauty lies in their brevity. Creators convey their narrative in just a short span, which spotlights their creative abilities. You know what they say, brevity is the soul of work. These bite-sized videos are much more than just passing entertainment. They are influencing online content like never before. They democratize creativity, giving everyone with a phone and idea a platform to create. It's a content revolution driven by YouTube Shorts. Now for the fun part. Let's step into the shoes of a creator and experience the magical process of producing a YouTube short firsthand. From idea generation, scripting, shooting, editing, to finally sharing it with the world, it's a mini marvel in the making. Firstly, an idea needs to be conceived. It is the foundation of your YouTube short. The idea can be anything from a comedy sketch, a dance routine, a cooking technique, a craft lesson, and so forth. Once the idea is clear in your mind, plan a script or outline for your short video. The script serves as the backbone and guides the direction of the video. Make sure the story is engaging and gripping from the beginning to end, remembering the time frame of up to 60 seconds. Next, gather the necessary equipment, which may include a good quality camera or even your smartphone, tripod, external microphone, and suitable lighting options. To film the video, set up the equipment appropriately, ensuring good lighting and clear sound. Proceed to film the video based on your prepared script or outline. It is okay to have few takes until you get the perfect shot. Your tone and body language are crucial at this stage. Now, it is time for editing. Use suitable video editing software to trim your video into the required time frame. Add music, sound effects, text overlays, filters as needed. Once you are happy with the final product, the last step is uploading the video on YouTube. Make sure to write an engaging title and description for your YouTube short to attract viewers. Remember to use relevant tags and keywords. After publishing your video, interact with your audience through the comments section. Respond to comments, acknowledge likes and shares, and always be open to constructive criticism. That, in essence, is how we step into the shoes of a creator and experience the magical process of producing a YouTube short firsthand.